Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. Today we will solve question number 5 part 7 from exercise 6.2 chapter 6. Differentiate x की power cos x. Variables are in power and as well as in base. So first of all, let y is equals to x की power cos x. Now taking log on both sides ln, so it will become ln y is equals to ln into x की power cos x. Ln y in next steps it becomes cos x ln x. Now differentiating with respect to x, so d by dx of ln y is equals to d by dx of cos x ln x. ln का derivative is 1 over y and then is y का derivative, so dy by dx. Now this is u and this is v, so it will become v derivative of u. So u is cos का derivative is minus sin x and then x का derivative is 1, so it's okay, 1 लिखने की need नहीं है. Plus u is cos x and then derivative of this v. तो v की जगह क्या है मेरे पास ln x का derivative is 1 over x, then is x का derivative is 1. dy by dx is equals to minus sin x ln x, इस y को मैं इधर शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ, प्लस cos x over x into y. अरेंज करके लिख देते हैं, पॉजिटिव टर्म पहले एंड नेगेटिव टर्म बाद में, and then y is x की power cos x.